Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. More specifically, welcome to a car park in Hitchin. Today we're going to Taco Wars to eat lots of good food. There's going to be 8 or 9 taco traders. Some of you may know, some of you may not. But one thing is for sure, the food is going to be amazing. So come along and let's find out what's going on. Right, hello everyone, and I've made it here to Taco Wars. First up, I've got a carne asada. I've got it, it's been here 5 minutes. I've already got a taco in my hand. Incredible. So check this out. This is taco number 1. Got marinated flank steak and a few other bits and bobs. Already, this could be a favourite. Right, let me dive in and give it a go. So I've got 7 more to try. Everyone gets a vote. You've got to stamp your ticket. I'll show you the format of today. Stamp your ticket on each one and write your favourite in the box below. Got some heavy hitters here today. Put that in there. Let's dive in to carne asada. See what it's like. Flank steak, can't go wrong, can we? Ooh, got a kick. That's salsa underneath it. Chili. Ooh, it's got a kick. It's fresh. Love it. For a first taco, that was incredible. On to the next. First one done. I'm going to try and do these in a methodical order, but as you can see, this is packed. People everywhere. I've got 8 to get through. I think I'll be alright. Taco number 2. We're here at Los Reyes, which is apparently Spanish for something kings. What did you say?
Kings?
Kings.
Kings?
Kings? Alright, cool. What do you think of this one? This is pork. I've got a drip here. Should we let the drip go? Ah! There you go. Pulled pork. There you go. Get this sign in. Pulled pork, sticky orange glaze, guacamole. Looks good. Let's dive in and give it a go. Got them on my drip and use these. Wow. That orange really comes through. The pulled pork as well. It's so flavoursome. I'll eat another one then. Yeah, like it. Well, is this taco number 3?
Yeah.
Taco number 3. Let's have a look.
And a number 2, please, Dave. So it's a national dish of
Yeah.
Cuba.
National dish of Cuba.
Is that really okay? Yeah.
Is that the place or Cuba Gooding Jr.? Cool. Ready? You good? Right, this is taco number 3. Ropa Vijaya. Said that wrong. This is slow cooked shredded beef and tomato sauce, garlic. Yeah. National dish of Cuba. I feel like the camera's very close, but it's okay. Here we go. What do you think? This smells really aromatic. I'm not sure what it is yet right now, but let's dive in. Sour cream on top. We got a napkin this time. The last one, juice went everywhere. Really good. Really, really good. It's got to be a contender. High quality. You could eat that all day. Really, really good. I don't think we're going to find a bad one today, are we? There's 8 of some of the finest tacos around. Really high quality traders. This place is absolutely packed. Have a little spin around. What an event. Taco number 4 we go. Which I've heard someone's favourite already, this one here. 7.5 for that singing. Very good. Alright, so we're on taco number 4, the Pink Piñata. There's rumblings in the street that this could be the top one. We'll see. Still got 4 more to go. But looking at it, which I won't show you yet, I can see why. Check it out. I've got pork belly, applesauce, all sorts of stuff going on. Marinades, flavours, I can't remember what was on the board. That's how much of a professional I am. Let's dive in and see what we think. First thing I will note is that this has got more hold on the taco. I feel like it's been toasted. I do not want to eat a lime like that. Here we go. Look at that, look. Let's go that end, that end looks better. Alright, let's dive in. Amazing, really different. I'm going to be brutally honest, nothing like how I expected it to taste. Pork belly, applesauce, in a taco, what's not to love? Pork belly's always a great one. Got really nice cooked fats, see them cooking here. This guy's getting some serious photography skills in. Did you get the shot, mate? Did you get the shot? You did. Anything you want to say to budding cameramen out there? You don't know?
Have a good time.
Have a good time. Taco Wars.
If you're not down here this time, you missed out. Hopefully next year they'll be on.
Yeah.
What do you think so far?
I think it's a very nice event. Yeah. This is a very good taco as well. Yes.
Bang it.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Get in there.
Pomegranate.
Yeah, pomegranates, pork belly, applesauce.
Happy days.
Thanks very much. Yeah, God bless. That's it. Man knows. One more bite. We'll jump on to the next taco. Could be a contender. Right, so I've made it. We're round with Chicken George, the champ. There he is over there. Winner of Wing Jam and Wingfest. Which at Wingfest he won the People's Award. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Right, cool. Come and check it out. I've got rib man meat. I've got a chicken thigh nugget, potato croquettes. Got shallots. Come and have a look what they've got going on. Come have a look. Rib man meat, shallots. What is this sauce here, Chris?
It's sweet pepper relish.
Sweet pepper relish. Potato croquettes, little chicken nuggets. Like, look at this. The people don't love it for no reason. How am I even going to eat this? Let's go in. It's a fucking two-hander. Oh, it's got some red man sauce. Stay still. Come on, let's get in here. Right, keep it there, keep it there. Let's go in. Oh.
Worth the wait?
That rib man, it's amazing.
It's good, isn't it? It's made with love. And for the people.
I've got a whole croquette in that as well. That was rib meat and croquettes.
That's what it's all about. Chicken and ribs for the people today, you know that. That's what you can't. I think.
Is that a thigh? Is that a thigh nugget?
That is thigh nugget. It's made with all fine.
So, it's really nice.
Water for the drink selection as well.
Alright.
Out of a big blue bottle.
Alright, cool. Check it out, look. Got the thigh meat nugget, had a potato croquette in there. This is just packing so much flavour. That the rib meat underneath as well with the holy the bacon sauce. Holy fuck bacon sauce. Can have warmth to it as well. Warmth and excitement. Look at the queue. That queue goes all the way back there. Best one I've had so far. I'm going to stake my claim. Put them on the map. You know how much I love these guys. He's a champ. He's doing bits on the UK scene. The time is to take over the tacos. Right, so I'm here with the champ, Chris, aka Chicken George.
How you doing?
So how's it been after winning Wing Jam and Wingfest?
Oh, it's been brilliant. Pipe train's still going, we're not stopping yet.
Has it been mental in the shop?
It's been so busy.
You've got the trophy behind the counter there, haven't you now?
Yeah, we've got the trophy on display, everything on display. We're not stopping, we're going to keep on winning. Chicken for the people.
So obviously everyone knows that the chicken is like ridiculous, as I've been on record saying. But tell us about like why it's so good and what your plans are with it all. And like,
It's just pure love. Everyone, all my staff, me, everyone, we just care so much about what we do. We've put a bid in on a shop in Hitchin, fingers crossed we're going to get that. We're going to open a wing bar.
Another shop?
Yeah, no, we want to open a wing bar, so sit down, kind of bring that street vibe that we've been doing the last year into a shop. So music, beer, and just some really good street food along the lines of fried chicken and wings.
Yes, so a lot of people on my channel won't actually know who you are probably unless they've been in the shop.
Yeah.
So it's nice of them to meet him. This is the main man.
Cheers. And that's JJ. That's the other main man.
That's it. So he's the champ, and now it's time to take over tacos as well.
That's it, yes. We are the food game.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice one.
No problem, take care.
Was this taco number 6?
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6. Taco number 6. For you people, check it out. Oh. This is from the Vic, from Hitchin, which is a pub. And hello. This lady's making me laugh. Can you get her on? So I'm just speaking to someone else, and they're saying that this place is stuck under the radar. Like, not being funny. It looks good. What do you think? Have you had this one? Where was that one?
Oh.
Yeah, cool. It's amazing. That is absolutely delicious. You got pickled pineapple in there. Crunch, texture.
Oh,
Tell you what. Tell you what. Stripping down meat. That is sneaking under the radar. Very, very nice. This is our final taco. The tofu one we didn't film, but it was lovely. I promise I went there. Okay, next one is this place here. Groundworks smoked beef brisket. A lot of chat about these guys being really high quality brisket. I'm looking forward to it. Try and slide it out. Served in a napkin, by the way. I think I'd have liked to have seen a little bit more, yeah, difficult to eat, but let's give it a go. And then we've got our concluding thoughts, and I'm going to announce my winner, Taco War. Right, let's dive in. That is lovely. That is really good. So, one last thing I want to talk about. Speaking of people here today, a lot of the tacos have been very similar. I would have liked to have seen someone really doing something really different today. Everything we've tasted has been very, very good. However, no hard shell tacos. A lot of them have been very soft. I think there's a middle ground where you can really toast off a nice taco like this. We'll see. I'm gonna eat the rest of this, conclude my final thoughts on who I think has pulled it out of the bag today at Taco Wars. So, there it is, we have it. I've done them all, I've tried them all. I've got a pretty conclusive winner today. In second place for me was Pink Piñata. Fine ingredients, intricate, delicate to eat, really, really nice. Surprising taste. But my winner, because I'm an indulgent fat pig, is Chicken George. The chicken nugget wing, the different flavours, got the rib man meat in there as well. So you had a soft layer of rib meat, which is amazing, which is better than the shoulder, and blah 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 blah. It's just better. Chicken on top, potato croquette, the hot sauce. Easy winner today. Taco War's been shut down by Chicken George. You know how much I love them. They've killed the game dead. Don't even feel like maybe it was particularly fair on the others that they turned up. But that's it. The champ has done it again. Triple crown. I've had an amazing day. Massive shout out to the organisers of Taco Wars for inviting me down. I've got plans for more wars, pizzas and burgers, I think, down the line as well. So next year, if you get a chance to come to an event like this, show up, because this place is absolutely rocking with fellow foodies just like you and me who love eating amazing stuff, and yeah, it's cool. Got music blaring, prizes going on, competitions, cool people. So yeah, well worth coming. And so yeah, there we go. That's my review of Taco Wars. We've done them all. We found a winner, and there we have it. Time to get on. Thanks for watching, everyone, and that is a review.